Hey guys, Steve Welch here with Beaman Toyota in Nashville. That's Katie. She wanted to be on the video just because she likes to photobomb, and this just made it easier. Anyway, so going to show you guys something real quick on the Camry. If we kind of take a look up here, you can kind of see what this is doing. If I shut this door, and I've done a different video on this before, but I'm going to kind of show you how to fix this. So you'll notice that you have your triangle flashing here. Rear camera is unavailable. If you go into reverse, you'll also notice you have your triangle up top to the left, and there are no guidelines when you turn your steering wheel. Very, very easy to actually fix this. So first thing, you're going to put it in the park, and this is the fun part. So hold the phone real quick, and you're going to come over here to your headlights, all right, and then over here to your audio button. This makes no sense, I know, but watch this. Press and hold your audio button, and then turn your headlights on and off 3 times. This enters service mode into the vehicle. Once you enter service mode, you go into functions, camera settings. Now you're into your camera settings, all right? Now you can see your steering angle setting. We're gonna press this here. So now you gotta hold it. All right, so now we've got this pressed here. We're gonna hit next. All right, so now you wanna set your steering wheel to where the very center is. All right, and then you're gonna hit steering center memorize. All right, and then all the way to the left. Important to go all the way to the left first. I hold it with my knee when I do this. Press this once. It will do nothing, but it did something. All the way to the other side. Once again, I'm gonna hold it with my knee as far over as I can. Now listen. There's your beep. All right, so now I'm gonna bring it back. Now, hit back here. All right, I'm gonna shut the car back off. Now, watch this. I'll turn it back on. And what you're gonna notice is your triangle is now off. This is now firing up again. And you're gonna see something else here. So when I go into reverse, you now have your grid lines that are here that will go when you turn your steering wheel. Now your grid lines will now function as normal. So what that triangle meant is that your grid lines were out of calibration. All we did is told the car where the steering wheel had to be accurate. You can also use that to reset it if by chance somebody had the steering wheel set the wrong way and set the center the wrong way. You can use it to recenter where your grid lines start at. So hopefully that helped. I know she's impressed. So Steve Welch with Beaman Toyota, downtown Nashville. Like, subscribe. You guys have a good day. Talk to you later. Bye.